Here we are, first thing on a Sunday morning, Wardour Street, removing the old equipment for Brocton Capital with a view to craning up the new Mitsubishi VRF heat recovery system. There's the removal of the existing Daikin system. Here we are, we have a clearer view here, Wardour Street on a Sunday morning. We've had to obtain a partial road closure from Westminster Council just to carry out the removal of the existing and the installation of the new. Crane company that we generally tie up with is Ton Out. They're based in Welwyn Garden City. Let's see if I can get myself a little closer to the edge. All units are being removed on the back of a vehicle. They're going to be taken out to Leighton Buzzard to be recycled. Here she comes. Good advert for Mitsubishi here. Right, he's going to do his bit. I've got to hurry up and get over to